dear children, today we will do exercise 4.5 of unit 4, that is multiplication. And in this exercise we will do multiplication sums, wherein we will do multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. So let me just tell you how to do that. So our question is multiply. So whenever we have to multiply by 10, 100 or thousands, means by multiples of 10 and 10. So how can we do that? Let me just explain it to you. So it is 43 multiplied by 10. So how you can do it? First of all, you will write 43 multiply by, now how many tens are there? 1 10. So we will write 1 10. Fine. Now in the next step, we will keep both the numbers in the bracket. 43 multiply by 1 and tens, because we have to make them tens. We have to multiply them by tens. Now whenever we multiply a number, the answer is always the number itself. Means 43 multiplied by 1 is 43. Now we will write here tens. Now whenever we have to multiply by 10, what we need to do? We have to write the number and put 1 0 to the right side of the number, to the right of the number. So 43 multiplied by 10 will give us the answer 430. I hope you would have understood it. So let us just do the next part. 807 multiplied by 10. So we will write 807 multiplied by, so how many tens are there? Again 1 10. Now in the next step, we will keep both these numbers in the bracket and we have to make them tens. We have to multiply them by tens. Now whenever we multiply a number by 1, the answer is always the number itself. So 807 multiplied by 1 is 807 and this tens. Now whenever we multiply a number by 10, we need to write that number and put 1 0 to the right of the number. So our answer is 807 multiplied by 10 is 8070. Now the next one, 114 multiplied by 10. So 114 multiplied by, how many tens are there? 1 10. Now in the next step, let us keep both these number in the bracket and write tens here, because we have to multiply by 10. Now 114 multiplied by 1 is 114, because whenever we multiply a number by 1, the answer is the number itself, and we will write the tens here. Now in place of tens, we have to put 1 0, because whenever we have to multiply the number by 10, we need to put 1 0 to the right side of the number. Now the last sum where we have to multiply by 10 is 999 multiplied by 10. So let us write 999 multiplied by, how many tens are there? 1 10. So let us keep both the numbers in bracket and write tens here, because we have to multiply both the numbers by tens. So whenever we multiply a number by 1, the answer is the number itself, and let us write the tens here. Now in place of 10, we have to put 1 0, because whenever we multiply by 10, we have to put 1 0 to the right of the number. Now in the next step, we will multiply the numbers by 100. So let us do that. Again 29 multiplied by 100. So 29 multiplied by, how many hundreds are there? 100. Dear students, the step is same, the method is same. Only earlier we were multiplying by 10, now we will multiply by 100, and after that we will multiply by 1000, but the method will be same. Now we will keep both these numbers in bracket and we will multiply by hundreds. Fine. So whenever we multiply a number by 1, the answer is the number itself. So 29 hundreds. Now we will write 29, and as we have to multiply by hundreds, we have to make them hundreds. So we will put 2 zeros here. Fine. When we have to multiply by tens, we need to put 1 0 to the right of the number. When we have to multiply by hundreds, we need to put 2 zeros to the right of the number. Now the next sum, 54 multiplied by 100. So 54 multiplied by how many hundreds are there? 100. So we will write it like this. Now in the next step, we will put both these numbers in the bracket and we will write here hundreds. Now in the next step, we have to multiply both these numbers, and whenever we multiply a number by 1, the answer is the number itself, and we have to write this hundreds here. Now 54. When we have to multiply by 100, we need to put 2 zeros to the right of the number. Now the next sum, 67 multiplied by 100. So 67 multiplied by how many hundreds are there? 100. So in the next step, put these two numbers in the bracket, and for both of them, let's write hundreds. Now we have to multiply. So whenever we multiply a number by 1, the answer is the number itself. So we are multiplying 67 by 1. So the answer will be 67 hundreds. Now at last we have to multiply by hundreds. So we need to put 2 zeros to the right of this number. Now the last sum where we are multiplying by 100. So 99 multiplied by 100. 99 multiplied by how many hundreds are there? 100. Now in the next step, keep them in bracket and write hundreds. Now multiply them. So the answer will be 99 hundreds. Now in the last step, we have to multiply by hundreds. So we need to put 2 zeros to the right of the number. So this is how we can multiply a number by hundreds. Now in the next sum, we will multiply the number by thousands. So 5 multiplied by thousands. 5 multiplied by how many thousands are there? 1000. Now the method will be same as we have done in question number 1 and question number 2. So 5 and 1 in bracket and write 1000. Now multiply. So when we multiply any number by 1, the answer is the number itself, and let us write 1000. Now for multiplying a number by thousands, we need to put 3 zeros. So in the first question, we have multiplied by 10. So we have just put 1 zero to the right of the number. In the second question, we have multiplied by 100. In that case, we have put 2 zeros to the right of the number. Here we are multiplying by thousands. So we need to put 3 zeros to the right of the number. So let us do the second part of this question. 6 multiplied by thousands and sum number 10. So 6 multiplied by, it is 1000. So we will write 1000. Now we will keep both the numbers in bracket and we will write thousands. Now in the next step, we will multiply. So the answer will be 6 thousands. Now in the last step, we have to multiply by 1000. So we need to put 3 zeros. So this is the answer. Now sum number 11. 9 multiplied by thousands. So 9 multiplied by how many thousands are there? 1000. So we will write 1000. Now we will keep both these numbers in bracket and we will write thousands. Now we will multiply it and find the product. So whenever we multiply a number by 1, the answer is the number itself, and we will write thousands. And in the very last step, we will put 3 zeros for multiplying a number by thousands. Now the last sum of this question is 8 multiplied by thousands. So 8 multiplied by how many thousands are there? 1000. So what we need to do in the next step, keep them in bracket and write thousands. Now multiply them. So the answer will be the number itself. So 8 thousands. Now for multiplying the number by 1000, we will write the number and put 3 zeros to the right of the number. So dear students, this is how you can multiply a number by 10, 100 and 1000. And I hope you would have understood this question and you will be able to do this question on your own. Thank you.